In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and link Trello subtasks. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable way to organize subtasks on any project board so you always know what's in progress, what's next, and how each piece connects to the larger task. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards view. This is the hub that shows every board you have access to. If you have a lot of boards, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right one. Once you see the board you want to work in, open it. We'll set up a simple structure that keeps subtasks visible and easy to track. Inside your board, look along your lists and choose the option to add another list. Give this list a clear, single-purpose name like subtask. Using a dedicated subtask list keeps small action items from getting buried under bigger, more strategic lists. If you prefer, you can drag the list so it sits next to the main tasks list, which helps visually group related work. When you're happy with the name, confirm by adding the list. Now let's add the first subtask. In the subtask list, choose Add a Card. Type your card details clearly and concisely. A helpful pattern is to start with a verb like draft outline, collect requirements, or key a test mobile layout. If there's important context, add it right into the card title, or you can note it in the description after the card is created. For quick clarity, you can include an owner and a target date in the title, for example, draft outline, owner A, due, Friday, so it's immediately visible on the front of the card. When the title looks good, add the card to save it. Repeat this process for each subtask you need. Keeping each action granular makes it easier to estimate, delegate, and track. As your list grows, you can drag cards up or down to prioritize. If a subtask no longer applies, simply archive it so the list stays tidy. If you want to link subtasks back to the main task, a simple approach is to reference the parent task inside each subtask's description, and conversely, reference the subtask inside the parent task's notes or checklist. Cross-referencing like this creates a lightweight connection so you can jump between items and see progress at a glance without changing your existing workflow. That's it. You've opened your board, created a dedicated subtask list, added clear subtask cards, and set yourself up to manage and link them effectively as your project evolves.